Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best takeout container is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked items in our daily lives, silently playing a crucial role in preserving the freshness and integrity of our favorite meals from restaurant to our tables. Whether you're a busy professional grabbing lunch on the go, a parent packing snacks for a picnic, or a food business owner ensuring your culinary creations arrive in perfect condition, the right container makes all the difference in maintaining food quality, preventing leaks, and ultimately, ensuring customer satisfaction. We'll dive deep into what makes a takeout container truly stand out, exploring the features that matter most for both convenience and performance. Number 5. 32 ounces sturdy leak-proof 2-compartment meal prep containers with lids. Introducing our convenient meal prep containers. Their leak-proof and airtight design keeps your food fresh, making meal preparation a breeze. These containers are ideal for work, travel, parties, or restaurant takeout. Use each compartment to keep your main course and side separate. Our thoughtful design meets all your needs. They are perfect for packing lunches, takeout, and delivery, whether hot or cold meals. Prep meals worry-free with their durable design. They have a high tolerance for bending, twisting, and temperature, ensuring your food stays secure. This 50-pack set offers stackable and lightweight containers. They are washable, reusable, microwave-safe, and can withstand extreme temperatures. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade plastic, these containers are temperature-resistant and microwavable. They are also eco-friendly and recyclable. We are committed to your satisfaction. If our meal prep containers do not meet your needs, please contact our customer service for assistance. What we like. This option offers a convenient 2-compartment design, perfect for keeping your main course and sides separate. Its leak-proof and airtight seal ensures no spills during transport. If you're looking for a reliable container for meal prepping lunches for work or school, this is a great choice. What people say. The containers are sturdy and don't leak. They are perfect for meal prepping and hold a good amount of food. The lids snap on securely, keeping food fresh. Number 4. 55-pack 34 ounces 8-inch 3-compartment food containers. Arriving impeccably clean, these containers are sealed in shrink wrap. Just unwrap, fill, and snap shut, no pre-washing needed, saving you precious time. Say goodbye to the aggravation of containers popping open. Your carefully prepared food stays put, without mixing or spilling during transport. These containers are tough, withstanding temperatures from -15 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. Heat your meals without worrying about the plastic softening or warping. This value pack is perfect for large gatherings or meal prepping. It's the ideal solution for sending leftovers home with guests. Made with new, food-grade materials, they are perfect for sharing food at events or for small businesses selling homemade meals. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of containers that are ready to use right out of the package, saving you time on washing. The secure snap closure prevents any accidental openings, keeping your food neatly in its place. If you need a hassle-free solution for packing lunches or sending leftovers home with guests, this is ideal. What people say. The containers are sturdy and don't leak. They are perfect for meal prepping and reheating. The lids fit securely, preventing spills. Number 3. 30 ounces 3-compartment to-go containers, 65-pack. Get your meals ready in a flash. These containers come shrink-wrapped and require no pre-washing, saving you time and effort. Enjoy peace of mind with our secure locking lids. They ensure a tight seal, preventing spills and keeping your food perfectly separated. Built to last, these containers are reusable and safe for your microwave, dishwasher, and freezer. They can handle temperatures from -15 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. This cost-effective pack includes 65 containers, offering great value for meal prepping, events, or everyday use. It's a smart choice for lasting savings. Ideal for leftovers, catering, or your homemade food business. These reliable containers are perfect for sharing food with family, friends, or customers. What we like. These containers arrive hygienically sealed and require no pre-washing, making them incredibly time-efficient. The secure locking mechanism ensures your food stays put, preventing spills and mixing of contents. If you're a busy individual or a small business owner looking for a dependable and cost-effective way to package meals, consider this option. What people say. The containers are sturdy and don't leak. They are perfect for meal prepping and leftovers. The lids fit securely, keeping food fresh. Number 2. 50-pack 27-ounce meal prep containers. Introducing our 50-pack of meal prep containers. They come shrink-wrapped and ready to use right out of the box, saving you time and effort. Made from BPA-free, mineral-filled polypropylene, these containers are built to last. They are safe for use in the freezer and microwave, ensuring no warping or leaching. Each container features a 27 ounces rectangular design, perfect for sandwiches, wraps, or a balanced lunch. They help reduce food waste and fit easily into lunch bags. This 50-pack offers a space-saving solution with its stackable design. They nest compactly, making storage in your pantry or cabinets a breeze. Designed for over 10 uses, these containers are reusable and dishwasher safe. The secure snap-tight lid ensures your food stays fresh during transport. What we like? Get started immediately with these containers that are shrink-wrapped and ready for use, eliminating the need for washing. Their rectangular clamshell design is perfect for lighter meals like sandwiches or wraps, helping to manage portion sizes. If you're focused on calorie-conscious eating or packing light office lunches, these are a practical choice. What people say. The containers are sturdy and don't leak. They are perfect for meal prepping and hold a good amount of food. The lids snap on securely, keeping food fresh. Number 1. Fancy hinged top square clamshell food boxes, 50-pack. Showcase your delicious creations in these crystal clear containers. Their transparent design allows for an attractive presentation of salads, sandwiches, and desserts. Made from durable OPS plastic, these containers are built to last. The hinged lock tabs ensure a secure seal, keeping your food fresh and undamaged during transport. Worry less about spills with our leak-resistant design. The tight seal also keeps odors out, preserving the fresh taste of your food. They are also freezer-safe and recyclable. Make them your own. These containers are perfect for customization with logos, stickers, or ribbons. Ideal for bakeries, cafes, and catering businesses. Get 50 crystal clear, 1-compartment containers in this value pack. They are perfectly sized for desserts, small sandwiches, and other treats. What we like? Showcase your delicious creations with these crystal clear containers featuring a hinged lid for easy access and secure closure. Their leak-resistant design makes them perfect for transporting a variety of foods without worry. If you're a baker, caterer, or simply want to present your desserts or small sandwiches attractively, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The containers are sturdy and don't leak. They are great for meal prepping and hold a good amount of food. The lids snap on securely, keeping food fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.